as mentioned, this week we suffered a cyclone, and as you will have seen, many showcases today have been loud and very proud in terms of sharing with you the different items and cultural dances that we have from Tonga. The association decided that we're going to slow the pace down, and that is to move gracefully together with our people as they rebuild, to move gracefully as we accept what the good Lord has for us in terms of building our resilience and our strength. And as such, I'd like to introduce to you the first item for the Tongan Association of Canberra and Queanbeyan, none other than Sinara Donga. Our beautiful young lady here who's travelled all the way from Queensala de Wharf to come and dance for you today. And what she wears today is a beautiful dress that's made out of natural fibres. Some refer to it as losses, some refer to it as vana, but it's actually made out of the foul tree. And we are very excited to be able to present to you Sinara Donga. Malo apito. Please, another warm round of applause for Sinara Donga. Our next dance is going to be performed by Latu Whawamoeanga. Very well known to many youth here in the ACT. Latu is a very active member of the Toitaladala Noa youth group from the Civic Church, and she also recently celebrated her 21st birthday. Latu has travelled all the way from Kolomotua in Tongatapu to come and share her beautiful dance with us. I give you Latu Whawamoeanga. Thank you very much, Latu. Please, another hand of applause for Latu as she races off to go back to her commitment to the Toitaladala Noa youth on the other side of the village. I present to you Munia Toinuafe. Today she dances to a composition that was put together known as a lullaby for His Royal Highness Prince Manmadaumo. Her costume today represents the fragrant garlands and traditional flowers of Tonga on which His Majesty would lay upon as he was sung the lullaby of which he is about to dance to. Very significant for this item today is the representation of the unification of the three dynasties of Tonga. And today we stand together as the Tongan Association of Canberra and Queanbeyan, together with all of you to celebrate the great gifts that His Lord, our God, Almighty Father, has given to us. And in thanksgiving, we share with you this beautiful dance that speaks to many generations, that speaks to a genealogy that dates back centuries. This next item speaks to the tradition of what makes us Tongan. I give you Nunia Tuinuguafe. applause, please, for our beautiful Mulumira Tuinukuafe. Before we finish, I'd just like to wrap up on behalf of the Tongan Association. Our hearts have been humbled with the generosity that has been given to our small island kingdom in the South Pacific. And on behalf of the association, the Tongan Association of Canberra and Queanbeyan, I'd like to extend a sincere thanks to the Australian Government for the support it's provided in terms of relief and ongoing support in helping us build our nation back together. In this acknowledgement, I'd also like to pay my respects and introduce to you three very important people in this space. Toa Longani, Diani Fulivai, and Libo Prescott. Now these three, they are our chief choreographers who've spent tireless hours putting these items together so that we can come and showcase. And what's very, very dear to everyone's heart is, in the midst of sadness and many trials this week, as our focus has been on what's been happening for us back at home, these wonderful people have still been able to come together, as well as our beautiful dancers. And of course, I'd also like to acknowledge Vienna Vea, who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes together with our three chief choreographers. In closing, I would like to invite you, if you'd like to make a donation to our small island kingdom's relief efforts, to the stall on my left, there's the stall of the Tongan High Commission, and there's a donation box. And I ask you, please, if you have any spare change, drop by, visit, have a look at our arts and crafts, the handicrafts that we have there. Have some odai. We've got many Tongan stores around the village today selling many of our beautiful foods. Please stop by, have some odai, have some gege, grab a loo, make your way across the Tongan High Commission store, and yeah, make a donation to support our efforts in helping our families back home. Aloha obrigado.
Come on, give another round of applause for the Tongan Association of Canberra and Queanbeyan.